everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Today I want to do a DIY on some embellishments. And these are for either scrapbooking or junk journals, and actually anything you want to use them for. And these are quilted. And I will show you. And here's another one. And what I do is I actually, a couple of years ago, bought all these little hearts, and I thought I would use them for quilting. And then I decided not to use them for quilting, so I just kind of put them away and then wondered what I was going to do with them. And I seen one similar on YouTube, on a DIY from Gail. I can't remember her last name, but she has a great crafting channel. And so I decided, hey, that's a great idea. I've got all these hearts. So what I do, and you can use any type of batting. This is the iron-on one. And I had some scraps, so I decided to use those. I chose those. Cut the batting out, and then I iron in it. It'll only iron on one side. That's fine. And then I quilt it, and let me show you the back. You can probably see. And I quilted it. And then after quilting, you just get your scissors, and let's see here. I'll do it right there. Just clip that. And so it makes it, I don't know, it just makes it look a little lacy, a little nicer. But, okay, and this is my intentions with my junk journals. And here is one of my junk journals. And it's far from being done. I've got a lot of work to do on it yet. But I just love doing these. But on this page here, whoops. That was a loose card. I thought I would put one of those, and I will glue that. And just, you can do all sorts of things. Like on here, see, I have the little journaling cards that slide in and out. But sometimes you want a little bit more embellishment. Whoops, and I keep dropping things. So you can just do a lot of things with your junk journals. And if you have like scraps like this, or when you're quilting and you have little pieces, you can sew them up. But anyway, there's one, the other one, and okay, there's my, oh, and I think this one here is probably my favorite. It kind of reminds me more Victorian, and I love the Victorian style. So, but, just use your imagination. And anyway, that. And actually, the cover of this junk journal was made from a cereal box. And I will do another DIY on that. And then this is another one. This is probably one of my first junk journals I made. But, look at how neat. Just adding something. Let's see if you can see that. Just adding that. Just, I don't know. Just makes it. Or maybe on this one. I need to put my camera down a little bit so you can see it better. Like that. So anyway, I just thought I would share an idea. And actually, my next DIY, I think I will show you how I cut my pillowcases that I make, and maybe show you a little bit about making them. But I learned a quicker way of cutting things out on the cutting board, and I think I'll share that with you. But again, if you have hearts or just even squares, just you know, your scraps. You can make a lot of embellishments. Now, I only made 3, and I'm going to make a lot more, but I wanted to show you they're simple to make. Anyone can do this, and you can quilt them in different ways. That one I didn't do the cross, I just did it. You can do it horizontal, vertical. You can do it both. That one has both. And I think, yeah, this one I did both too. So leave comments down below what you think, and maybe some of you will like to try some of this. I'll show you a few more pages in my journal. And I've done in the past a couple other videos on junk journaling. And I also do scrapbooking, but I have not done DIY on my scrapbooks. So these embellishments can be used on either. They don't have to just be on junk journals. Not everyone's into junk journals. When I started, I didn't think I would like it, and I love doing them. So anyway, thank you for watching. I appreciate you leaving comments. If you're not subscribed and you would like to subscribe to me, I appreciate that. Today I have 938 subscribers, and when I reach 1,000, I'm going to do a giveaway, and my giveaway is going to be one of my jeweled hearts. That's one of them, and I'll show you the other one. I think a couple of people said that this colored one was their favorite. And it's actually starting to be mine. But I will, when I do the giveaway, I will let that person who wins choose which one they want. So thank you for watching, and have a great day and be safe. Bye, everyone.